Hey you guys, I'm back. Today I'm cooking fried cabbage. I'm just cutting my cabbage up. Okay, so I hope your day is going well so far. Mine is going good. You know, cabbage can last in your fridge for a while. I just picked this cabbage up yesterday. Okay, that's all my fried cabbage, you guys. Now I'm finna put it in a bowl and I'm finna rinse it off. Boy. It's getting back dark outside. I guess it's going to rain. It's supposed to rain. I know the wind picking up. They said this afternoon, so hope the power stay on. So while my cabbage over here rinsing off, I finna put some butter in this skillet. No, I don't. I'm so sick of this. I don't know who be doing that. Where's my towelette, you guys? I can clean. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here. I haven't had fried cabbage in a while. And it's something, cabbage is something I like to cook, like while it's still cold outside. For some reason, I like it draws flies. And so I like to cook it when there is none of that foolishness. Okay, so my butter over here melting in this skillet. And hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, I have my cabbage in the skillet. Now your girl about to season it. Okay. This a little Cajun season. Slap your mama. Okay. Put a little in this in here because it's, like I said, it's Cajun. And you can put as much as you like, but I like to enjoy my food. So therefore, black pepper. I only put as needed. I go through it, and you gotta watch the black pepper. Yeah, it's raining again, you guys. Onion. I gotta get some more of this. This goes so fast and it's expensive. It's like I get this at Kroger's for $7.99, but if you don't watch it, it goes so quickly. But it's one thing about it, you don't have to worry about it getting hard like the other ones. Oh, this smells good though. That onion powder. Some dash. just a little this over here. And I'm going to put the lid on it and let it do what it do. It's already frying. Just a little olive oil, you guys. Okay. So. And once it cooked down, I check my seasonings again. And see where I'm at. Little parsley flakes. It smells so good already. So I'm going to put the lid on here and let it do what it do. It look good. And I already had me 2 pieces of cornbread. This is Jiffy cornbread that I had. So I took that out. And I'm going to put this rotisserie chicken in the oven. I got this yesterday. So I'm going to put that in the oven. I'm not going to eat all of that either. Oh, it smells so good in here. Then I'm going to add some butter as it cooks down. Let me get my lid, you guys. Oh. So, what I'm about to do now, guys, is wash these few dishes. And I will be back shortly. Okay, you guys. I'm cutting up some onions because I like onions on top of my fried cabbage. So, I'm cutting up a few onions. In the lonely room, wishing you were near me. And I'm the only one going to eat a few onions. So I'm just going to do a few for me. Okay. Put them in this bowl. Okay, you guys. My onions. Now, rotisserie chicken. Okay, here's my rotisserie chicken. I'm just going to cut some of it off. I'm not going to eat all of it today. I'm just going to cut some of it off, you guys, and I'm going to put it in the oven. Probably like half of it, just a few pieces. And put it in the oven. Oh, it smells so good in here. This string we got tied on here. There we go. You tied this sucker on tight. Okay. So that's like half of the chicken. here.